guys, happy Planner Wednesday. This spread is from October the 29th through November the 4th. And what I'm going to be doing this week is I had a request to do a old TV show that I really love. It's Family Affair. So I said, yes, I'd love to do it. So I made my own stickers, and this is the paper that I've chosen because they have a lot of green in their apartment. And this reminds me of the sort of, when the show first came on, how it kind of looked, the geometric kind of designs. And then this just reminds me of how happy the family was and complete Uncle Bill was once they came to live with him. And I'm just going to be using this for my washi from the Dollar Tree. And these papers I got from Joann's a long time ago. And like I said, I made my own stickers, and I'm just using this Papermate Sharpie that's green. So let me take my pages out of my planner, and I'm so happy everyone loved my Bewitched theme. I had so much fun doing that. Okay, I've decided that I want this to be the dominant paper, so I'm going to cut it first. But I remember watching this growing up. I loved it. Okay, let's put our paper down like we want it. This was such a upbeat show. I mean, it had sad times, but it was so positive. You could learn so much. I just really liked it. Okay, let's start putting our paper down. I really like this paper. I really like that. Okay, I think that looks really sweet. Okay, let's start putting our washi down. This just reminded me of that time period, and it picked up the green and everything. I've said it so many times, but I love Dollar Tree washi. It tears like a dream. That looks really pretty. They definitely had a busy house. So many people living there. Oh, I really think that turned out nicely. Okay, like I said, I made my own stickers, and this just shows all the cast that was in the show. And I might actually, oh no, put some down through here. I think it would look a little more finished. Yeah, I like that much better. Okay, and then here's Uncle Bill. And then here's Mr. French. I loved Mr. French. I loved everyone on this show though, actually. He was such a wonderful person. And then here's Buffy with Mrs. Beasley. And then here's Jody. And then here's Sissy. And then here is Buffy, Jody, and Mrs. Beasley. And then here they are in the kitchen with Mr. French, Uncle Bill, Buffy, and Jody. Looks like they're making some sort of breakfast or something like that. And then who could do a spread without Mrs. Beasley? She is adorable. Okay, now let me just write a few things that I need to do. Okay, let's put my pages back in my planner and take a look at this, but I think it turned out really cute. The planner is getting so full. Ooh. Okay. Oh, I love it. It's so happy looking. I love my stickers. I love this washi. And I like the green because they had, like I said, they had a lot of green in their apartment. And what I did is I just went on Google Images like I make my stickers and printed this out and cut it so that it would fit in my planner. And I'm going to add this to it. Plus it also gives you extra areas to write on the back if you have, if you need that much more room. I don't really need it because I basically use my monthly spread to keep up track of what I'm doing. And then I printed those front doors and their like living room area part of it. So I think that's adorable. So I'm going to stick this in here, and it kind of just sort of like welcomes you into the spread like you'd be welcomed into their home. But my planner is getting so full, it doesn't want to take much more. But I love it. I think it turned out gorgeous. I think this just really is welcoming, and the intro to the show and then through their front doors. But I really love how it turned out. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.